Hello everyone, I'm Nila, a final year student from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I'm delighted to share that I have secured a package of 6 LPA, and the training at QSpiders played a crucial role in my placement journey. The Java classes provided with me a strong programming foundation, and communications also played a very good impact on students as well as me, which helped me successfully clear the technical interview at Exava Technologies. Additionally, the communication skills and verbal training sessions enhanced my problem solving and ability to speak with professionals, and mock interviews and technical discussion greatly boosted my confidence, enabling me to perform well in group discussions. And I'm truly grateful to QSpiders, and I would like to express my sincere appreciation to my trainers, Aryan sir, Dharmadre sir, Chandrasekhar sir, and all other trainers for their unwavering support and guidance. Thank you.